I just got an order in from Innisfree, and part of what I got was a free 19-piece order, and I'm dying to find out what it was. And so it just came in, so we're gonna unbox it together. Okay, so this is what I ordered. I got 3 things for free. Okay. So my mom really likes Innisfree. So she's gone through, I think, 2 or 3 of these. So a green tea caffeine bright eye serum. It's great. It's a little wand with a little roller ball, and you can get it right underneath your eyes. So I got this for her for Christmas. Part of her Christmas present, right? They also had a retinol trio that was on sale, so I picked that up. And that included the Retinol Cica Moisture Recovery Serum. So this is a face serum. Richard, I'm on Facebook Live or TikTok Live. Retinol Cica Moisture Recovery Serum. Okay, so a little one and a big one. Okay. And Retinol Cica Focusing Patch. Right, so they look like the little pimple patches. So I assume it's just the pimple patch. Yeah, okay, so pimple patches, which, you can never have too many pimple patches, right? And with that order, I got 3 things for free. I got green tea enzyme vitamin C brightening serum, this little sample. Oops. All right, so it's a little, you can see, it's not a ton, but it's nice. I love those for travel. And I go through so many different things when I travel. The green tea seed hyaluronic serum, a little pouch with that. And a mask, which is amazing when I travel, right? I love to have masks. Super volcanic pore clay mask. Okay. And they sent me a sticker, an Innisfree sticker, which I take these, honey. I take these and I stick them on my clipboard or whatever, right? Like we have notebooks that we write down what we do with the dogs. I actually have a notebook for the beauty school I'm my clipboard or whatever, right? Like we have notebooks that we write down what we do with the dogs. I actually have a notebook for the beauty school I'm attending, so I might put that in there too. Now onto the 19-piece bundle. I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. You ready? First thing up is the Cherry Blossom Glow Jelly Cream. And we're opening these. Don't think we're not. Everything I get in, I open up, and then Rich recycles it. So it's this. It's a little glow jelly cream. Again, perfect travel size. Perfect to try it, and I've tried it. I like the jelly cream, especially when I use my Medicube. 2 of these. So what's that? That's 1, 2, 3. And we have 19 free gifts, right? And this is the green tea seed hyaluronic cream. So that's 2 and 3. And this pouch, look at this. It is 80 ml or 2.7 ounces. It's green tea seed hyaluronic serum. It's a refill. How cute is this? And it's like cardboardy, so it's recycly, right? That's nice. Okay. Next up is Cherry Blossom Glow Jelly Cream. So this is the full size. A full size for free in my 19-piece thing. Okay. I'm gonna get this open. I should have got a tripod. I didn't get a tripod. You guys have to bear with me. Okay, so here we go. And I like I said, I've used this before. I like it with my Medicube. And it's a full size for free in the 19-piece surprise pouch. And don't think I wasn't on here looking up to see if anyone had any spoilers on what all was included. So this came into, this is a daily UV defense sunscreen. Now I got a bunch of these at Sephora, and because I know my mom loves them so much, I left them all with her to try. So she got a bunch of little serums and moisturizers and sunscreens from Sephora because the guys like me, and so they were just like throwing them by the handful into my bag. So here we go, right? A little one that, again, great travel size, great to maybe throw in the car or throw in your bag so you have it when you're out and about and you need a touch up. And guys, we still have so much stuff to go. What was that, number 5? Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 5. 6. Green tea enzyme vitamin C brightening serum. A little travel size, a little sample size, a nice sample size. Or not. How big is this? 7 ml. Okay. So yeah, this I really like. I like their stuff. Like, it is good, but my mom like loved it, and so I was like, here you go. And I gave her a bunch of the stuff that I had from them. from Innisfree. Daily UV Defense Sunscreen, another one, because remember, we opened it up, you know, right? We opened up the other one. So let's get that. Bling, got a second one. What is next? Here. Retinol Cica Focusing Patch. So I got another set of pimple patches. It's 2 sheets, 18 patches. And they have dissolving microneedle patch for spot care and soothe. So I've got one other one of these that I ordered and I paid for, and I got a free one from Innisfree. So you can never have too many pimple patches. Like I've still got a little right there. So like I will, and then I had one on my neck right there. So I'm gonna try those out tonight. We got more little samples. This is the Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask ×2. So 2 of those right here, 1, 2. And to go with the other one, like I said, I love those. I have a bug out bag and I keep stuff like that in there. And then I have a whole bin of travel stuff. So whenever I do go, or if somebody needs something, I've got it there. And then I have 2 more of the green tea seed hyaluronic serums for travel. Or sample. If somebody's like, hey, I want to try that, I'm like, let me see what I got for you. Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask. I do really like this. It like sucks all the gunk out of your pores, which is really nice. In this size, like, so this is a smaller size. This is 20 mil. I think the full size is 50 mil. But I have 2 full size from Sephora in the closet because I really like it. And we got them last year too. Honey, I'm still
really good with this, so
I'm still
Could you pause for just a second?
No, I can't.
Okay. Do you want me to cancel this?
Yeah, get a new card number. That's fine.
Okay, good. All right.
Okay, Daily UV Defense, another sunscreen. Sorry. So here's what's going on with Rich is we're doing, we had a barn on the property, right? And it was really bad, and like termites had got into it and had eaten some of it. So like it was going to collapse. So before the hurricane came, we had it taken down and we're putting up a metal building, but we want to treat the ground anyway. So Rich had someone come out and gave us a quote for treating it, but he just got off the phone with the guy, and the guy was really shady and doing like double talk. And it wasn't even double talk. It was, you know, like, is there a way we can just do like a one-time thing? And he's like, no, everything has it. And we come back every year and we recheck it. And we're like, okay, well, how much is that? And he's like, it's free. It's included. And we're like, okay, well, how many years is that contract for? And he says, well, we come out for, you know, like within the next year and we inspect it and we make sure it's all good. And we're like, well, you said it was 10 years. No, it's just 1 year. And we're like, but you just said it was 10 years. And like everything was like this. And so I'm like, cancel that and they couldn't find the contract that Rich had sent, but Rich had emailed it over. So he's canceling the credit card now. So if they do go to run it, they can't run it. Right? Because I said, I know if he calls up to cancel it, they're going to run it right away because they just seem like that type of business now that I've heard them. Because if I would have just heard Rich's side of the conversation, I would have been like, Rich, like he's answering your questions, but the guy wasn't answering the questions and it was really annoying. Okay, so what is the difference between these two sunscreens? Daily UV Defense Sunscreen. And then one of them's a mineral sunscreen. So I usually don't like the mineral sunscreens because they leave the white cast, but we'll see if this one does because I got a sample to try. What is this? Okay, so here's the serum. Look at this, a full-size serum plus the refill, plus the cream, plus all those little samples and the volcanic mask and everything else. Man, this is nice. And apparently, so their containers used to be green and now they're white because, are you ready? Do you know why? It's because they're fragrance free. Ooh, this is blue. And it's cute. Look at that. Oh, is this trying to compete with Bubble? Maybe. Green tea seed hyaluronic serum, facial serum. How cute is that? But wait, there's more. It also comes with a little travel container of it. I love this. This is so much for free. I'm so glad I ordered this. So I'm on mailing lists for stuff like this, right? Here we have another one. Okay, so another mineral sunscreen. I'm still opening it because I have to. Another little mineral sunscreen. Okay, so I'm just throwing all the boxes over here. I was going to order this and I didn't. It's the Dewy Tint Lip Balm from Innisfree. I haven't tried it yet. In 2 Melon Coral. We're going to try it on right now. And I have stuff on my lips right now too, so you're not going to get the full view of it, but we'll get some. And I've been playing, so I have a makeup class starting next week, a makeup artist certification camp. So this is what it looks like Well, this is what it looks like. And then I took this off. How cute is that? Okay. And so I've been playing with my eyes all day and they're getting a little sore, but eye makeup, I haven't done face makeup yet, but I've done eye mascara, eyeliner. Like, damn, that looks good. Okay. I like that. Okay, we'll see how that goes. And the last thing, I think it's the last thing. Yes, because see, now the bag's empty. I can't believe how much stuff they included. Is they did not have this at Sephora, or I would have grabbed it. Look at this giant bag. So it's mesh. I love these for the beach, for when we go there for all my beach stuff, right? And it's got the nice handles on it. And look, it's got this. Is this a full pocket? Yeah, so it's a pocket. It's not a slide on. So you got a pocket there for sunglasses or sunscreen or whatever. Then you have this whole giant bag for stuff, and it's a mesh bag. So how nice is that? Okay, thank you, Innisfree. This is not anything paid. This is just, I got it in and I had to do an unboxing to share with you everything that Innisfree sent me. And I didn't order most of this. I ordered 2 things, right? What was it that I ordered? The one kit and then the eye serum for my mom because she likes it. And so I was like, I'll get the retinol kit too, because I was talking to her about retinol. She was born in 50, so what's that make her? 74, and she doesn't use retinol. And I'm like, if you want to, but like, hey, EDS, you look good for a long time. But she doesn't like, she's getting crepey on the arms and stuff. So you can use retinol in other places than your face. So I might bring that over to her anyway. But yeah, so that's what I just ordered. Sign up on Innisfree's website for their emails in case they do something like this again, because that was wicked awesome. Catch you guys later.